Can the Centella Asiatica Ampoule really calm irritation, layer seamlessly with actives like tretinoin, and support dehydrated skin without feeling heavy? The SKIN1004 Centella Ampoule promises great hydration and barrier support, but is it effective enough to make a difference even for dry skin? Let's take a closer look at the ingredients, texture, and who it actually works for. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Anne, a medical doctor here to teach you how to best take care of your skin and general well-being. The brand calls this their all-rounder ampoule with an emphasis on calming redness and irritation. It is one of the 6 ampoules available from the brand, all of which contain Centella Asiatica, but at varying concentrations and with a varying skin concern they target. I have talked about all of them on here, with the exception of the 3 newest ones called boosting shot ampoules that I don't have in my collection yet. While still in the bottle, the liquid has a beautiful golden hue. Once dispensed, however, it turns completely clear and without any noticeable scent. That paired with the runny texture makes it look and feel like water. Applied to the skin, there's minimal tackiness that disappears quickly. Now, if you're confused which place of your routine an ampoule should go, you're not alone. The answer is, it depends. Should you do the whole lineup with toner, ampoule, serum, it is cleansing, toner, then ampoule, and then serum. If you, like me, and especially in summer, prefer a more streamlined approach, put it after cleansing and before your sunscreen, wherever it fits best. As a rule of thumb, the runnier something is, the earlier it is used. This one will work both morning and night, or even twice a day, and can be paired with actives like tretinoin or acid exfoliants. Here, the soothing aspect will be especially helpful. Now, you might have read online that while many people love it with their active, others report a burning sensation or even breakouts. First of all, you can react to anything. Just because something is supposed to be soothing, that doesn't mean your skin will not react to it. If you're sensitive to Centella or its components, the product is definitely not for you. Always patch test to be sure. And second, if you have overdone it with the actives and your skin barrier is already compromised, anything you put on top might burn and sting. The solution here isn't to experiment with new stuff, but to give your skin a break and let it recover. The ingredient list in this one is short and sweet. You will find glycerin as humectant, butylene glycol that also has humectant properties, and the Centella Asiatica, known for soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. Unlike other SKIN1004 products, this only has the Centella Asiatica extract, not the individual active components of said extract added separately on top. Then there are viscosity enhancers and the preservatives, so really a simple and straightforward formulation. Is the SKIN1004 Centella Asiatica Ampoule a must-have for sensitive dehydrated skin? It is great for adding a lightweight layer of hydration that absorbs quickly and works well both morning and night, and paired with different stronger actives in your routine. My skin felt soothed and calm when I used it. If your skin is dry and dehydrated though, this alone will not be enough to provide hydration, as it lacks emollients and occlusives to keep the hydration inside the skin. In my opinion, this is a great addition to your routine for oily and acne-prone skin due to the lightweight texture. If your skin is more mature, I can see it working great during the summer months as a hydrating layer, or with the addition of something heavier on top for the rest of the year. And if you enjoyed this video, you will most likely enjoy the ones linked on the screen here. Don't forget to check out the description box for everything else I have to offer, and like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video.